So big day for NFTs. As you can see here, the NFTs have gained 50% to over 400% gains for the biggest collections. And 3 months ago, I actually called the NFT bottom in late August. That's why I created this video. I just wanted to mark the lowest point, which is today, July 18th. And NFTs are still the greatest opportunity to get big gains in this crypto space. And since August, we had a 2 to 3 month stagnation in NFTs where you could buy the lowest prices when Bored Apes were around 15 Ethereum in price, back when Ethereum was around $2,000, and you could even buy a CryptoPunk for under $100,000 per CryptoPunk. Right now the floor price is around $150,000 per CryptoPunk. Apes have reached around $85,000 floor price. Also, one of the biggest NFT collection, Pudgy Penguins, have went up to 15 Ethereum price, which is around $45,000 to $50,000 per one NFT. And these are basically the biggest collections right now. And I feel like prices will most likely go down because this is really huge bump. And I'm expecting for these projects to come out with some news, some announcements. That's why I think I am personally looking for some undervalued NFT projects myself. There are many projects that range between hundreds to a few thousands in value. If we are looking at cheaper projects that are really undervalued, in my opinion, two projects stand out for me. These are Mocaverse and Pirate Nation. Why these stand out and why I think these are undervalued is because, first of all, if you're talking about Pirate Nation, this is an on-chain game and one pirate costs around 1 Ethereum right now. And why I'm bullish is because the biggest crypto investment firm, A16Z, actually invested around $33 million. And I haven't seen anything yet announced that would cost them millions of dollars. That's why I think they still have big reserves to spend on marketing and for people to be bullish about this project. That's why my personal prediction for Pirate Nation, if it costs right now around 1.5 Ethereum, around $4,000, $5,000, I think my target for the next few months is 5 to 10 Ethereum. I think it will get there pretty easily because, again, Pirate Nation is an on-chain game. Everything is on-chain. They also call it the forever games. Although most people don't know about these new NFT projects, everyone knows about Cool Cats Doodles, Bored Apes, Pudgy Penguins, basically everything that came from 2021. But I think the biggest return of my investment will come from these new projects that basically were created in 2022, 2023, many even in 2024. So the second project that I'm really bullish on is Mocaverse. You can see the floor price right now as of this video is 1.5 and it's around $5,000 per one NFT. Why I'm bullish on Mocaverse is this is the official NFT project of Animoca Brands. Animoca Brands is basically a gaming studio, gaming brand. I don't know even how you can call it because these are the this is a project that is creating games, raising money. This is basically like investment firm. That's why I think this is one of the biggest opportunity. I think it's bigger than Pirate Nation personally, because again, Animoca Brands is raising money themselves. That's why there is a huge opportunity. For example, if you own an Animoca NFT, you could get a free airdrops because they are raising money for other games. Animoca Brands has how many games under their wing. You can see on their website they have raised and created many Web3 games. And Animoca Brands is the biggest project if we are talking about big ecosystems pushing gaming in the Web3. And Mocaverse have only 80,888 NFTs, so you don't have the regular 10,000 NFT project. This has less than that. That's why I think the price could go even higher. And I personally predict 50 Ethereum floor price for Mocaverse when we are in NFT hype, in NFT euphoria. And many people don't know this, but Animoca Brands actually raised money for Bored Ape Yacht Club. That's why there could be a huge collaboration with Animoca Brands. And again, I think this will be one of the biggest, if not the biggest NFT project, the Mocaverse. And I will actually create a dedicated video for Mocaverse themselves and Pirate Nation as well, because there is so much to talk about. Then we have the lower tier NFT projects like Goda, Mean Pass, Goda Pass, and for example, Kingship NFTs, which is run by Universal Music. There are many huge brand NFTs like Adidas, Alts by Adidas. But we still have to see some announcements. Most of these projects might be dead. Many of these projects will most likely come back, but we still have to wait for announcements. That's why these projects are super, super undervalued. If they come back, if they don't come back, this is a easy way to lose money. That's why always do your research, and this video is not a financial advice, but I think there is a huge opportunity because I think many of these projects will come back because these huge brands like Adidas, Universal Music, and many more, they don't want to be looked upon as rugs, as basically dumps. That's why, in my opinion, there is a great opportunity and great possibility that these projects will come back. Another great project is VeeFriends. There is a VeeFriends and VeeFriends Series 2, and this specific project is run by Gary Vee. Many people know about Gary Vee, the motivational speaker, the businessman. And I think he will definitely not stop with this project because he also already said the 99% will go to zero and that he will make the VeeFriends the next Disney. And again, I expect many huge brands coming into NFT space. That's why, in my opinion, don't fade NFTs. This is just a beginning. I'm personally starting to do my research on new upcoming projects. Also, I think NFTs are much more fun than crypto tokens and meme coins. For example, NFTs have images, they have games. You can create some utility around it, the communities, the basically limited communities that makes the project stronger. And I think overall it's just much more fun. Also, big brands cannot create their own tokens, meme coins. They will be creating their own NFT projects, and they have been creating, and many brands have been building for the last few years. That's why don't fade NFTs. And if you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.